With the whiteboard option, teacher and student can share With the whiteboard option, teacher and student can share the same virtual whiteboard window to share drawing, symbol, picture, text with each other. Like here, client and teacher can share the same picture. Now we will start session for the particular student. For that, we will add model chapter and open it to student terminal. Here in add button, we can see the list of lessons. Now we can open, and here we can see the track is added to playlist. Now teacher can open it for the particular student. Here the symbol indicates that the uh, this red dot indicates that the file is opening at student terminal, and this cd symbol indicates that the file has been opened at client side, that is on student screen. Here we can see the file has been opened at client terminal. These are the controls for the teacher to play, pause, stop the particular file. These lock PC and unlock PC buttons are used to lock mouse and keyboard at student terminal. This is the graphical representation of model track. Here we can see different controls over here, such as zoom to selection, where student can zoom in and zoom out a particular section. There is a zoom to full waveform, which shows the whole model track. And with this option bookmark, student can with bookmark option, student can select a particular section where he finds difficulties to pronounce, so he can click this option to add bookmark by right clicking it, and he can continuously listen to same track. With the bookmark option, if student finds some difficulties pronouncing particular word, he can select a particular portion and add bookmark to it by right clicking here, and here he can see the bookmarks he has assigned, so he can listen to some particular portion continuous. So here he can listen to particular portion repeatedly. Now we'll see play and record option. First we will play model file, and during silence student can repeat the words, such as back, back, bet, bat, heat, hat. In this analyzer, we can see fusion of model voice and student recorded voice. Here we can see the first voice is of student. Here we can see the first voice is model voice and the second voice is student recorded voice. Here we can see the first voice is model voice and the second voice is student recorded voice. Here student have to compare his recorded voice to a model voice by selecting, by observing amplitude, frequency, and also buffer packet envelope shape. Here we can see a model voice and a student recorded voice, and we can see there is a lot of difference. So student has to exercise to achieve such a shape as model voice to neutralize his accent. This is the option for reading and writing exercise. Here teacher can assign various tasks to student such as read and record, in which student has to read and record it, read and write, in which student has to read and write. So through this browse button, teacher assigns task to student. So here in student module we can see the assigned task. Here student see here student can see the assigned task. So student has to type, read and write the given paragraph. There are different tools available for teachers, such as examination console, in which teacher can conduct exam. Here teacher can conduct multimedia examinations. Here teacher can assign different type of multimedia question such as text, audio, video. Suppose we have selected audio question. Now in this box teacher can record his own voice, or he can assign, or he can select a question from saved file. What is your name? And here teacher can assign a weightage for the question. Now click on set question. That's way he can set his own question paper. Same way student can appear for examination. Once he open examination console, the question starts appearing one by one. If the question is audio type, the voice of question start playing automatically, and student has to be answer that question as per answer type set by teacher. Once he finished his exam, the teacher can check student answer sheet and set weightage to the student, and student can also review his answer sheet with the remark suggestion set by teacher. In speak and listen tool option, if student has problem to pronounce some word, using this utility, by typing particular word, a system can pronounce that word. Vice versa, a student can speak or pronounce some word, the system can convert that to word. In content authoring tool, teacher can manipulate audio. Teacher can create his own content. Teacher can create his own content by using tools like append sound, insert sound file, mix sound file, override with sound file, and so on. Using these tools, can insert teacher can insert silence, like so. Here we can see teacher has inserted silence. That's way these different tools can be used to edit the content. This tool is used. Okay. Hmm. If available by the as well as we can okay. Add the tag in a regional language if the particular font is available. As well as we can group discussion. Client and minimize कर देना सारी recording बंद कर. Using group discussion tool, we can arrange group discussion by selecting students. In this we have selected teacher and AYU student. We can start group discussion, broadcast multimedia file to all students present in group discussion, as well as teacher can share his screen to all the students, as well as teacher and student can share his screen to all the student.